Welcome to Terapage. To create a live interview research activity, we'll first navigate to the Research Activities section from the Researcher dashboard. Next, click Add Research Activity, enter a name for the activity, select Live Interview as the activity type, and then click Continue. We'll begin with the Basic Settings section. First, configure Send Invitations to choose when interview invitations will be sent to participants. Next, select the interview start date, interview end date, and the preferred time for the interview. Then choose the appropriate country and time zone to ensure the interview is scheduled according to your participant's location. After that, configure Research Team Scheduling. Here you can choose one of the following options. Participants can schedule their own meeting if you want participants to choose an available meeting time that works best for them. Admins schedule all meetings if you want the researcher or administrator to assign meeting times to participants. If participants are scheduling their own meetings, you can configure Open Research Activity on, Invitation to schedule a meeting, and Reminder to schedule a meeting according to your requirements. If admins are scheduling the meetings, select the meeting research team, set the meeting duration and meeting buffer, choose the available meeting days, and define the start time and end time for the interview schedule. Next, configure Research Team Availability by selecting one of the following options. Start Available if the research team is available by default, and you only need to remove unavailable time slots. Start Unavailable if you want to add only the time slots when the research team will be available. Under Response Visibility, choose one of the following options. Public allows participants to view each other's responses immediately. Uninfluenced allows participants to view other responses only after submitting their own responses. Private keeps participant responses confidential and visible only to the researcher. In the Limit section, you can configure additional options based on your interview requirements, such as include pending participants, allow participants to contribute to Whiteboard, or limit who can be scheduled to meet. If required, configure Limit Visibility by Observer to control observer access to the interview. You can also choose Start with Disabled Participants' Cameras if you want participants to join the meeting with their cameras turned off, or Revoke Camera Enable Action from participants if you don't want participants to enable their cameras during the interview. Next, enter a meeting invitation to explain the purpose of the interview and request participants to schedule their meeting. You can also provide any additional guidance in the Extra Instruction field. Next, configure the Notification section. Here you can enable or disable invitation and reminder notifications based on your requirements, ensuring participants receive timely updates about their interview schedule. If you'd like to award points for completing the activity, use Point Customization to assign the required points. This section is optional, so you can either configure it or leave it unchanged. Once you've finished configuring all the required settings, click Continue to create the live interview research activity successfully. Thanks for watching.